Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chlorophyll painting. Gather fresh dark green leaves, a blender, rubbing alcohol, good paper, brushes, a glass jar, and a cloth. Chop leaves and blend with a little alcohol until pulpy. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh or coffee filter. Test colors on scrap paper and adjust concentration. Work quickly and in thin layers for translucent green washes that preserve leaf texture. Extract pigments by soaking the blended leaf pulp in alcohol for 10-15 minutes and then straining thoroughly. Use a soft brush to apply the green extract in thin layers, letting each layer dry partially before adding the next. For detail, use concentrated extract applied with a fine brush or dropper. Experiment with salt, vinegar, or heat to shift tones. Keep samples labeled so you can reproduce successful color recipes consistently. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated during messy art sessions with a secure lid and easy pour that resists leaks. It fits most cup holders and cleans easily between projects. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Seal finished chlorophyll paintings with a light fixative or archival spray to slow fading and protect surface. Avoid strong sunlight and high heat, as chlorophyll is light sensitive and will brown quickly. Consider framing under UV protective glass and adding a spacer to keep glass off the paint. Store extra samples in acid-free folders. Document your process, noting leaf species, solvent ratio, and drying time so you can refine technique over future projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.